Greetings, Grizzlies. You have my deepest gratitude today for joining me as I showcase some of Piepho's favorite pastimes. My loyal followers, to kick off Season 2, I have been taking your requests and that I should make a how-to video of one of my favorite pastimes. Well, one of my favorite pastimes is making geographical models out of things like Play-Doh. So today we'll be doing a map of the United States out of Play-Doh. Here's a previous one I've constructed. So let's dive right in. I've had a ton of fun making these in the past, and I hope you will as well. Alright, so step 1 is to acquire the necessary materials. So first, we're obviously going to need Play-Doh. Here I have a red, white, and blue Play-Doh. You may want to use whatever color you want, but if you would like me to consider you a patriot, then I expect to use red, white, blue, or a combination. Next, we need something to base our model of the US on. Thus, I have this template here. I've just taken a piece of paper and photoshopped on this plagiarized map of the United States of America, and then I printed that out. Next, we're going to need some sort of safety materials. So, as always, my trusty rubber science mittens. Good. Good. Alright, as you can already tell, I have this beautiful eye protection on here to protect my eyes from any toxic Play-Doh. And finally, as always, I have this lab coat. Alright, so step 2 is to start molding your creation. I'm just going to use blue Play-Doh for today. Alright, let's crack this bad boy open and extract our Play-Doh. You may be tempted to eat the Play-Doh, but please do not. I would not want any of the health and safety concerns that come along with that to happen to anyone, no matter who you are. Alright, I have practiced on this because I really love making these molds, so mine may have a little residue on it. Alright, let's begin molding this. Alright, doesn't that look beautiful? Alright, now let's move on to step 3. Alright, so step 3 will be to enjoy your creation in all of its beauty. This is a really great map, the best one I've made so far, by far, and I make a lot of really great ones. You know, looking at it right now, I've even decided that I want to try to rig something up so that I can preserve it forever, because I did such a great job with this one. So, I'll be right back, and I'll try to come up with something so that maybe I can do something like bake it, so that it will stay in one piece, in one shape, forever. Alrighty, ladies and gents, so this contraption that I have before me should do the trick. So what we have here, do not try this at home, it's moderately dangerous. So we have a nuclear reactor, and that is going to provide energy. We have various body parts and fluids to soak up some of the extra energy. Since we don't want this completely fried, we just wanted it golden brown. So let's let it dive right in. Alright, look at that, it's cooking perfectly. I'm sorry if you can't see it. Whoa, okay. Alright, this is overheating, it's overreacting, you gotta get out of here. Oh no! Alright, the backup power must have kicked on. Whoa. This is weird. Okay, is everybody okay? Alright, the power should come on soon. What's that moving noise? What? It's me!
Ah, now for my escape.
Alright, so I think we're all a little bit shooken after that gruesome event. However, I hope this does not get the best of this episode, and I hope that you still enjoy your geographic models of the United States of America. Unfortunately, I was unable to catch my seemingly evil clone as he bolted out of my secret laboratory, but fortunately, power has been restored to my lounge, so all is well. I hope to update you with future stories and future news about this clone when I come into contact with him again. However, this is all for now, so Piepho out. See you next week.